Hey guys, Mike Fab'n, and today we got the troop carrier racks, side racks on the truck. I didn't video the process, but I'll go over it with you. So right here, this bracket right here has three 13mm bolts with nuts that bolts into the B-pillar bulkhead, okay? And it's kind of a pain because you get your hand up in the backside of it to hold the nut steel. And then there is these two 11mm, these two, and these three. And then you have to take this one out to get to this last one. And then there is two big ones midway down. I don't know if you can see them right now in the head of that bulkhead right there. And those are 16mm on the top and 18mm on the bottom. Okay, and then of course, then these are attached. That divider is part of the troop carrier kit. And then, so we've got both sides attached now. And we are putting this Humvee together for a Veterans Day Vets Fest here in my local town here in about a month. So next we'll be putting a new tailgate on it, or a new used tailgate on it, some brackets, and then we're going to paint it. It's going to just be regular OD green on the entire truck and black wheels and black bumpers. So, but again, there was a front bracket on the B pillar, and then there was 6 11mm down the sides, and then 3 in the back, and then 1 on the back frame itself, and then 2 inside the back bracket. And then also the sides up underneath the fender wells has these braces, basically giant washers that go up underneath, and then the bolt goes through it, and then a washer, and then a nut. So they're well braced, so they're nice and secure. But anyway, that's it for today. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. We've gotten to 300 subscribers. Thank you very much. And our next goal is 400 subscribers. Have a good day.